So in this video, we're going to look at adding furniture. And one key thing to remember is that furniture is also considered a component. And we've already used components within our model. Don't forget we did the door component, the window component, and now we're going to look at furniture components. Now, in order to get to our components or to get to the 3D warehouse where we can actually get the components, we have to go to the right toolbar where we have the 3 cubes stacked on each other. I select the 3 cubes. Now it takes me to the 3D warehouse where I have to actually search for something. All right, so I'm going to search, and make sure you may notice that I have a house here and I have the little box. The house contains all the components that you've used inside the model already. But if you want to search for new components, you have to click on the little box. It should automatically be on the little box, but just in case, this is where you go. Then I search. Let's just say I need a bed. So I search for bed. And again, I have 2,200 pages of beds. Some of them are more detailed than others. So you can go through and choose, but I'm going to choose the first one. So bed. It's going to download it into the model. You may notice that this bed comes with other components. So I'm going to place the bed outside here. All right. Now, being that this bed comes with other components, I may not necessarily need the other stuff that is a part of it. So what I need to do is I need to right click the component and I'm going to say explode. So I'm going to explode the component. So now I have 3 individual components. Now I can move them around as I need. All right, so I'm going to select the bed by itself with the bedside tables. And I am going to go to my model and see if it can fit inside my room. And right now, this will fit inside my room, but I need to rotate it because I want to have my bed on this wall, let's just say. Yeah, I want to have my bed on this wall, or else I won't be able to get inside the room because I'm going to have a door here. All right, so this bed and this setup may be too big for this room, but I'm going to squeeze it in there anyways. For your purposes, you're probably going to have to explode this even further. So if I select it and I right click, explode, all right. So they actually group these, so I would have to edit the group. I don't want you to get into that yet. So use what they've given you. So right now I'm going to use this bed as is. But the thing is I need to rotate it. So the move tool, rotate, select it. I didn't select what I want to rotate. And then turn it around 180 degrees. Go back to the move tool. Select the bed. And you may notice I'm selecting an edge where I can actually place it inside my model. So I want to place this on the edge at the bottom. So I have my bed inside my room. And don't forget, I would have a door here. I just didn't draw it. All right. So that's how you insert your components for your spaces inside your model. Just make sure you either explode the components to separate them, or you can even scale the components if they're too big. All right. So that's how you insert your components. If I have additional pieces that I don't need, I can simply delete them to make sure that I don't have a lot of clutter in my model. All right. Once you have that, then you can move on to the next step.